The U.S. Justice Department has filed a lawsuit against Illinois Governor JB Pritzker, challenging new state laws designed to shield migrants from arrest at so-called detention locations. These include courthouses, hospitals, daycare centers, and public universities across Illinois. The lawsuit filed Monday argues that the new laws are unconstitutional and interfere with federal immigration enforcement. According to the Justice Department, the measure could also threaten the safety of federal officers by restricting when and where immigration agents can operate. Governor Pritzker signed the laws earlier this month, and they took effect immediately. One of the key provisions bans civil immigration arrests at or around the courthouse statewide. Other parts of the law require hospital, daycares, and university to create clear procedures for responding to immigration operations and protecting personal information. The laws also give people new legal options if their constitutional rights are violated during federal immigration raids. That includes potential damages of up to $10,000 for someone unlawfully arrested while trying to attend a court proceeding. Pritzker, a Democrat, has been one of the most outspoken opponents of President Donald Trump's immigration crackdown. However, his office insists the governor is not opposed to arresting undocumented migrants who commit violent crimes. Instead, the criticism is focused on how enforcement is being carried out. A spokesperson for the governor said federal agents have been detaining law-abiding people, including U.S. citizens, at places like hospitals and daycares, rather than focusing on serious criminals. Earlier this year, the Trump administration reversed a Biden-era policy that limited immigration arrest at sensitive locations such as schools, churches, and hospitals. Since then, ICE operations in the Chicago area, including one known as Operation Midway Blitz, resulted in more than 4,000 arrests. Government data later showed only about 15% of those detained had criminal records, with most offenses involving traffic violations or non-violent charges. Immigration advocates say the Illinois laws are necessary because fear of arrest has kept immigrants from seeking medical care, sending children to school, or showing up in court. Supporters called the legislation a bold stand against what they describe as aggressive federal tactics. The Justice Department argues the laws violate the Constitution's Supremacy Clause, which make federal law the highest authority in the country. Illinois Attorney General Kwame Rawls says his office is reviewing the complaints and stands by the state position that constitutional rights must be protected. This case now sets the stage for a high-stakes legal battle over who will ultimately control immigration enforcement and how far state can go in pushing back. What is your thought? Write a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Morning America.